Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to rotate a video anti-clockwise and then export using the Photos application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now go to Albums, Media Type, Videos. And then we should have a couple of videos that we have been working on from the previous tutorials. Let's now click on a video. The latest one. We want to turn this video anti-clockwise. There are a few ways to do that. We can either right click, rotate, but that's only clockwise. We can use the top menu to rotate anti-clockwise. Let's do that now. Okay. Command Z to revert back to the original. We can also go to the top toolbar where it says image and now rotate anti-clockwise, and there we go. So we can now go to File, Export, One Video, click on this, Movie Quality 4K, leave everything the way it is, click on Export, and now this will save directly to the desktop. Export, decrease the size of the Photos application. And there we have that video that was exported in 4K directly to the desktop after we had rotated anti-clockwise. We can now minimize Photos for the moment, go to the desktop, click on the video, and there we have it. The video is now in portrait for you to then post to your social media pages, whether it's YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and whatever. So we can now quit QuickTime Player, go back to Photos, go to Photos, quit Photos, and so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.